Well, I have to say that I've not tried those taco places either, but I do have a pair of Ariats, as well as Luke Casey's and Tony Lama's.
Oh, nice. You're
everything
representing.
else that a true Texan should have. All right, Fort Worth sitting at 94 degrees, plenty of sunshine out. It's nice to be below 100 degrees this afternoon. Our first time in a while, because we did hit 101 for the high yesterday. So today is the first non-triple digit day, and I think it's like 2.5 weeks or something like that since we had that, or maybe just shy of 2 weeks since we had that decent cool down a couple weeks ago. 95 in Dallas at the moment. Other temperatures across North Texas, low to mid 90s elsewhere. Much different situation than we saw this weekend when it was well above 100 degrees and we had those highs at 110 or so. We've had a little rain around the last couple of days as well. Right now, that rain concentrated southeast of DFW, south of, it was raining over most of Cedar Creek Lake earlier. Now it's mostly south of Cedar Creek Lake between Corsicana and Athens. These showers and storms will keep pushing to the south and fizzle out as we lose the heat of the day. So that's the only chance for rain over the next several hours. As areas well southeast to DFW, the vast majority of North Texas going to stay dry for the time being. And there you go. Everything just fizzles out overnight tonight. Maybe a little cloud cover across our eastern areas as we head into the late night hours, but most places will just be mostly sunny as we head into tomorrow morning, and should be a decent morning tomorrow. A mixture of 60s and low 70s, maybe some mid 70s here or there, but closer to normal than we've been. Normal low 74. I have us about 74, 75 in Dallas, but you head outside of the city, especially west of DFW, and I got upper 60s to greet you first thing tomorrow morning. Eastern areas may run a little warmer, relatively speaking, because of a little bit higher humidity in the air to start tomorrow, but it'll still feel pleasant tomorrow morning, even in those areas. And then tomorrow afternoon, a little warmer than today, but still below 100 degrees. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s tomorrow. A couple degrees above normal, but that's way better than way above normal and the record heat like we've seen recently. Briefly, I want to touch on Idalia. If you weren't here earlier and missed me talking about that storm, it will not threaten Texas in any way, shape, or form, but it is a tropical storm between Cancun and the western tip of Cuba at the moment with winds of 70 miles an hour. It's going to move up into the Gulf really this evening and into tonight, quickly intensify into a hurricane, likely becoming a major hurricane before landfall somewhere near Cedar Key this upcoming Wednesday morning. Storm surge, heavy rain, lots of wind headed to portions of Florida during the middle part of the week. In the meantime, for us, it'll be light winds and comfortable tonight, 74 for the low, and then tomorrow hot, dry, and breezy. It's an air quality alert tomorrow. 96 will be your high. 98 on Wednesday, 99 Thursday, maybe our last day below 100 degrees for a while as we start another streak of triple digits. Thankfully, it's not record hot through Labor Day weekend, but it is hot again. 100 plus Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your Labor Day Monday. But I do not have any showers and storms around to ruin any weekend plans, although probably a lot of you wouldn't mind having some weekend plans ruined because we desperately need the rain here in North Texas. But I don't really have much on that 10-day forecast. We'll be back with more after this.